A jet engine is a type of reaction engine that propels an aircraft by expelling a high-speed jet of gas. It operates on the principle of Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Jet engines are commonly used in aircraft because of their ability to generate a large amount of thrust, allowing for high-speed travel over long distances. The basic components of a jet engine include the intake, compressor, combustion chamber, turbine, and exhaust. Air is drawn into the engine through the intake, compressed by the compressor, mixed with fuel and ignited in the combustion chamber, and then expelled at high speed through the exhaust, creating thrust. There are several types of jet engines, including turbojets, turbofans, turboprops, and turboshafts, each designed for specific applications and performance characteristics. The basic structure of a jet engine includes several key components, each playing a crucial role in the engine's operation. Here's an outline of the main parts of a jet engine. Intake, inlet, function, captures and directs air into the engine. Components, intake duct compressor function, compresses the incoming air to increase its pressure. Components, rotors, blades, stators, stationary blades, axial compressor or centrifugal compressor, combustion chamber, combustor, function, burns the compressed air with fuel to produce high-pressure, high-temperature gas. Components, fuel injectors, igniters, combustion liners. Turbine function, extracts energy from the high-pressure, high-velocity gas exiting the combustion chamber to drive the compressor and other accessories. Components, turbine blades, rotor, nozzle guide vanes, stator, exhaust, nozzle. Function, accelerates the gas leaving the turbine to produce thrust. Components, convergent nozzle, convergent divergent CD nozzle for supersonic speeds, accessory gearbox function, drives auxiliary systems such as fuel pumps, oil pumps, and electrical generators. Components, gear mechanisms, afterburner in some engines, function, increases thrust by injecting additional fuel into the exhaust stream, igniting it, and accelerating the gases further. Components, fuel injectors, flame holders fan in turbofan engines, function, provides additional thrust by bypassing air around the engine core. Components, fan blades, fan casing detailed breakdown, intake, inlet, designed to minimize drag and optimize air capture. Shape and size vary depending on the engine type and aircraft speed. Compressor, axial compressor, air flows parallel to the shaft, multiple stages of rotors and stators. Centrifugal compressor, air flows perpendicular to the shaft, uses a single or double-stage impeller. Combustion chamber, combustor, mixes fuel with compressed air. High efficiency and stability of combustion are critical. Various designs, annular, and combustors. Turbine, converts thermal energy to mechanical energy. Rotors are connected to the compressor via a shaft. Must withstand high temperatures and stresses. Exhaust, nozzle, shapes the exhaust stream to produce maximum thrust. In supersonic aircraft, the convergent-divergent nozzle adjusts to optimize performance. Accessory gearbox, located on the engine casing, provides power to engine accessories and aircraft systems. Afterburner, in some engines, used primarily in military aircraft for extra thrust during combat or takeoff. Increases fuel consumption significantly. Fan, in turbofan engines, larger diameter than the compressor, provides a significant portion of the thrust, especially in high-bypass engines used in commercial aviation. Jet engine types. Turbojet, simplest form of jet engine. All air passes through the core. Turbofan, most common in commercial aviation. Large fan provides additional thrust by bypassing air around the core. Turboprop, uses a turbine to drive a propeller, efficient at lower speeds. Turboshaft, similar to turboprop but designed to drive a helicopter rotor or other machinery. Ramjet, simplest type of jet engine, no moving parts, relies on the aircraft's speed to compress the air. Scramjet, supersonic combustion ramjet, operates efficiently at hypersonic speeds. This detailed structure covers the main components and their functions within a jet engine, providing a comprehensive overview of how a jet engine operates.